With the My iMOW app, you have full control over your iMOW robotic lawnmower anytime, anywhere. You can use Bluetooth and Wi-Fi to conveniently operate and configure your robotic mower. With our Evo models, you can even control the iMOW via the cellular network, allowing you to change settings and monitor the lawnmower from anywhere in the world. Other features of the My iMOW app include the electronic cutting height adjustment for achieving the perfect result. Do you want to work in your garden on a Saturday? The mowing plan function allows you to easily draw up a weekly plan for the iMOW, allowing the robotic lawn mower to work around you. But what if you want to work in the garden alongside the iMOW? By implementing mowing zones, you can split the lawn into zones, meaning the iMOW will only mow a certain part of the lawn, leaving you free to work on another section. The behavior of the robotic lawnmower in relation to the perimeter wire can also be easily controlled via the app. Adapt the iMOW to your garden and define how far it should mow over the perimeter wire for maximum control. Download our My iMOW app now and benefit from the full range of functions of the robotic mower. Customize your iMOW now with the help of the My iMOW app.